Hello, you amazing people. How are you doing? My name is Himanshu Mittal and I am a sales coach. Today we are going to discuss RDR. What is RDR? RDR is reactionary defensive response. So we will discuss what is RDR, how it is different from objections, why RDR happens and how to handle them. This video is going to be amazing and I'm sure you will love it. Stay with me till the end. So what is RDR? RDR are the responses which customer gives to you at the stage of greeting. I repeat, RDR are the responses which customer gives to you at the stage of greeting. I'll explain everything in this video. Yeah. So full form of RDR is reactionary defensive response. So these are reactionary responses which customer gives to you. So all right, let us understand what is the difference between objection and RDR. Objection comes during the sale, when you understood the requirement of the client, the problem of the client, the goal he has to achieve, he want to achieve, and this during the sale you are positioning your product as the right solution, and customer gives you some objections. So these are called objections, right? But today we are going to discuss RDR. This is different from objections. These are something which you have at the stage of greeting. So greeting is the first stage in sales. By now you have not pitched your product, you have not asked any question, you have not understood the requirement of the client. You are just greeting the client. Maybe he is coming to your office, he is coming to your store, he is coming to a showroom, or you are going to them, you are calling them, something like that. Yeah. So this is called greeting. Greeting is the crucial stage in sales. Have you heard first impression is the last impression? Yeah, this happens. This really happens, and this happens at the greeting stage of sales. So when you call your client for the first time, or they come to you, they give some response which you don't like. Most of the time it happens. Sometimes customer comes to the store and you approach him, right, just to greet him, and he says, hey, I'm not going to buy something today. Yeah. And sometimes he says, hey, I don't need any help. Hey, I'm not carrying my credit card. Hey, I don't have my spouse with me today. Yeah. So sometimes it happens, they give some responses which give you signal that they will not buy today, and you blown off, right? Sometimes it happens. So how to handle them? Before that, let us jump on why it happens. So you have to understand, RDR has nothing to do with you. It has nothing to do with you. It has to be done with the client. So he has something in his mind, that is why he is giving you RDR. How it happens? He has some past experiences. Somebody has sold him something which he don't need, which he never used in his life. Today he is thinking that you will sell him something which you don't need. Today he is thinking that he don't need to buy something. Yeah. So he's just calling himself, he's just telling himself that I'm not going to buy today, I'm not going to buy today, I'm not going to buy today anything, I'm not going to buy today anything. And when you greet him, he just give you a negative response. He just tell you, hey, I'm not going to buy today. Or sometimes he say, hey, do you have the cheapest solution with you? Show me. At the and this happens at the greeting stage. So don't blown off. I'll tell you how to handle it. Yeah. Let us go more deeper. Let us understand more deeper about RDR. So RDR is something when customer refrains himself from entering into the sales conversation. He think that you will get some information, you will take some information that you will use against him to sell your product. Yeah. Sometimes you think that you will know more about him. Sometimes you think that you will try to pitch your product. You will just stick with him with a glue, buy something like that. He might have many notions in his mind, and he gives you RDR, reactionary defensive response. So that is he tried to be defensive. He give you reactionary response just to avoid you. He don't want you to come into his space. Yeah. So how you handle them? How you handle them like a pro salesperson? This is going to be very amazing, and if you understand this, it will change the way you do sales. Maybe you're calling your client, maybe you are visiting them, maybe they are coming to you. How to handle them? So when you call your client, they say, hey, I don't need anything. Yeah. So how do you handle? First of all, have a smile. Maybe over the phone, maybe you are meeting him. Have a smile on your face. Have a great attitude. Have a smile. Have a great attitude. Number 2. Yeah. Number 3. Put the client at ease. This is your job. See, at the greeting stage, he don't know you. You might have done some research about them, or sometime he is coming to the store, but he is not he's not positive. He's not giving you signals of buying, right? So you have to put him at ease. He's not at ease. He's in a different state. So you have to put him at ease. How? By agreeing with him. Agree with the client. When client says, hey, I'm not going to buy today, you say, all right, sir, I'm with you, and nobody buys at the first time. Customer says, wow, you agree with me? Seriously? Yeah. So it happens, and customer see you as his friend. Agree with him. When customer say, hey, I'm just looking for the cheaper solution, do you have that? Just show me the one. You say, all right, sir, I'm with you. I'll show you whatever I have. See, you know you don't have that, but you just agree with him at the first stage. Why? Because you want to put him at ease. Be comfortable. Be comfortable, sir. I'm with you. I'll give everything I have in my capacity. Just be calm, be polite, and let's have this conversation some more informative. So this is what you are trying to do. How to handle RDR? Yeah, more tips. Yeah, you want more tips? All right. Be professional. Be professional with your clothes, with your talks, with your acts, everything. Have the good domain knowledge of yours. Have the knowledge of your product, your price, competitor price, market price, everything. His requirement, everything. You should have every knowledge with you. What he wants. At this stage, when he's coming to you, his ultimate goal is not to buy from you. This is not his ultimate goal. This is your goal to sell him, right? He wants some solution for himself. He wants some information at this stage. He just wants some information, nothing else. And you are saying, all right, sir, I am with you. I have the information what you need. See, this is what you are trying to do. This is how you handle RDR. I hope this makes sense. If you do not understand this video, watch this 2 times, watch this 3 times, watch this video 4 times. And you need more help, just type in the comment. Let me know if you want me to make more videos on this particular topic. See, nobody talks in this industry about RDR, what are RDR, how to handle them, and this is why their sales sucks. Yeah, this is something important I've shared with you. I hope you will learn it. Not only learn it, you will use it. My name is Himanshu Mittal. I am a sales coach. Thank you. Bye-bye.